Hello, hello, my smartest artists. Good morning, and how are you? Today, we are going to do our mouse paint project. All right, I want you all have to have a piece of paper and a pencil or something to draw with. I'm going to draw with Sharpie just so that you can see a little bit better on the screen. If you're drawing with Sharpie, don't forget to have a paper underneath so that we protect our tables. It's always very important. We're going to be using our primary colors and our secondary colors today. I hope you watched the mouse paint video so that you know about mixing colors. All right, boys and girls, let's get started. We are going to draw 3 mice, one at the top of our paper, one at the side of our paper, and the other one on the other side of our paper. All right, let's get started. Sometimes when I draw, it is good to turn the paper depending on where you're starting. But I'm going to start at the top, okay? I want to leave enough space for my mouse's tail at the back. So don't draw too close to the edge of your paper. You want to start about here, and this is about the size of our mouse. Okay, we're going to start with the ears, a backward C and a regular C. And remember, don't draw too small. You want to see your mouse's face. We're going to go from the ears. We're going to make a curved line, and then we're going to stop at the ears. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see better. We're going to stop at the ears, go to the other side, so we're going to hop over, and draw sort of more of a pointed front. We're going to give a little nose. We're going to do 2 little ovals, black ovals for eyes, and we're going to draw a couple of whiskers, right? Most important part, let's not forget our mouse's tail. Now you can draw it however you like, but I just liked that line. Now we're going to draw our next mouse. I'm going to turn my paper a little bit so that you can see. We're going to draw it the same way. 2 curved lines for the ears, a big oval for the body, a pointed-ish line for the face, a little oval black nose, 2 oval eyes, some whiskers, and the tail. All right, we're on our last one. Now, don't forget, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Okay? Last one. We're going to draw 2 oval ears, a curved body, a curved oval body, a curved rounded face, a cute little nose, 2 cute little eyes, some whiskers, and the tail. All right. In the story, there were 3 little mice, but there was also some puddles of paint, and we're going to draw that now. We're going to make wavy circles and ovals. We're going to draw one in between the mice, Another one in between the mice. We can even put some dots of paint, right? And a third one in between the mice. All right. When you are finished, we're going to get out our special primary colors. I hope you remember what your primary colors are. Those are colors that we cannot make by mixing other colors. These three colors are special because they make all the other colors. They are blue, red, and yellow. So I want you to get those colors out first. And you are going to color in your mice. When you're coloring, it's very important that you take your time and you go slowly. When you color next to your line, go really slowly. And then you can go a little bit faster on the inside. Try to fill in all the white spots when you color. I finished my red mouse, but I want you to fill in the yellow and blue next. When you are finished, I want you to get out your three secondary colors. Your green, your purple, and orange. And you are going to color in the paint splotches they're the paint puddles that the mice played in. When you're finished, your project is going to look like this. The green is in between the yellow and the blue. Because if yellow and blue, both mice played in this puddle, they turned the paint green. The purple is between the blue and the red mouse because they must have played in this puddle and turned the paint purple. And this puddle is orange because the yellow mouse and the red mouse must have played here too. Your colors have to go in order so that they make sense. Boys and girls, take your time when you're coloring and have some fun. See you later.